Markets hit limit down, so they're closed. NQ is closed, but you can see over here on daily chart. Hopefully this is bottom for now, as we should be bouncing and hitting at least bottom two lines of the bands. Markets hit limit down, so they're closed. NQ is closed, but you can see. So we'll see what's gonna be over here now. It's limit down again. It's market closed. I see Tesla is down, Apple is down. March 18, 2020. Oil is down big time. Let's, before we continue, please pause this video and read the risk disclosure disclaimer. We have another 2-3 minutes before opening. It's very dangerous to trade any financial instrument. Trade only with money you can afford. Okay, you guys on YouTube, if you're watching live, you're behind like 15-20 seconds. I'm using Streamlabs, so they get very late. You're like behind, so any signal over here, just it's late. By the time you see it, market is somewhere else. Okay, read this. Let's go back over here so you can see daily. We'll see what's gonna. We'll take a look again when markets open. Let's take a look at gold. Looks like gold is going up a little bit. Actually, it was down since last night, but it's rebounding a little bit. So plus it's 15.07. And then let's take a look on oil. As you can see, 23.85. So oil wants to become teen again, looks like. Young again, come back to teens. The way it's falling. As you can see, all night. Alright, markets are open. And as you can see, there's a pressure down, but then they're coming back again. Nasdaq is on the right. Let's go to ES. And you can see here. Before we do any trade, we'll just let them play. As you can, this is about new bar from a long time ago when they stopped. So let them see. Let's see what they're gonna do. Some patience. Now they're going big time up. This is 2-minute chart, and this is Unirenko, the settings obtained. CNBC says Dow plunges 1,300 points. Because of coronavirus. Let me see if there's anything else. Tesla is 397, almost 8% down. Apple is down 9.55, almost 4%. Facebook is 6.47% down to 139. So hopefully we get that bounce very soon. There's also bounce on CL, which is good place to sell. Let's make a
order filled.
Sell right there. That's too much out. Let's
order submitted.
get order there.
Order submitted.
I would rather just let them run for a few minutes than just jump into this kind of trades. You never know. Which I know we can make money, but let them just play for now. This is huge move on ES. $23.43, $24.15. $72 points or something around, over 70 points, if I'm calculating correctly. Okay, and there we're almost by the tick. The price almost reached our CL trade. Went for a tick, so let's just move that tick. Give them, if they come back, we can just come out market, but let it stay. I think we'll come back down. So there is one trade and done. You can pretty much do this is per contract. You see where you're going. One trade and done for a day. We're making 200 It's going to be 200, 210 per contract. If the price reaches our target. This is the second time came in a tick to our price and then just turns around. Let's take a look at what the gold is doing. Just staying about 1505, 1507. And as you can see, I'm having these bands every time market comes out or gets over, pulls in, especially about when it goes above or below both bands, pulls in. Sometimes they develop such a huge trend that they just go, but still can be alright. You can see here, here, right here, right here, there's a pullback. So you can make your profit in those kind of trades. Here's that trend they develop, but then there's a major pullback. They like to do it. Here is right there, so most of the time. And here's the gap between both trends, both bands. We pull back. Here's below and a nicer pullback. And so on. That's why I'm using these two bands. Alright, oil got above our price now. We are losing 17 ticks, which is a good place to sell again.
Order filled.
Couple times we went just a tick from our price and turned around and still against us, but that's fine.
Order submitted.
Oh, it's wrong order.
Order cancelled.
It happens.
Order submitted.
We'll move this one here too a little bit higher. And this one here. Nothing, we're just gonna have a better trade over here once it goes our way. Okay, signal down for yes. If this signal fails, they're gonna go up. So let's take a look. There we go. Let's go
Order
get in.
filled. Order submitted.
Just try to get some profit. Alright, almost. These are big moves. Let's see if they can reach us third time or we'll just close market. Let's just close market.
Order filled.
Are we okay? We got 10 ticks. Alright, oil is coming back into our favor. So this signal failed over here, and there's a big run.
Order filled.
Okay, let's just, right there, let's just feed it. Because it took a long time to hit our targets, so we'll just see if it's gonna reach us again, or we'll just close it, market. Alright, market's bouncing. Let's just close oil,
Order
that's
filled.
it. And there's, we traded 3 contracts, made 352 points in 13 minutes. And you could be done for a day. Alright, we're getting here lower highs for now. So looks like we're gonna go for sideways now, comparing to these 2 bars. So market needs to either break up here to go long, or break down here to go short, which is long way. If we break this point, most likely is long. Let's see, gold is trying to go up. Let's go back to CL. Take a look on the news, anything new on CNBC. Just look at their webpage. Dow plunges 1,000 points, so we run 300. Okay, Trump says the US will close the borders with Canada to non-essential traffic. Alright. VIX is unchanged. Our Tesla is dropping even more, 48, 11.17 points. Apple is 10 points down, 4%. Facebook, 5%. Seven and a half points. Well, let's see what markets are doing. Who would say Tesla is gonna come back to 381 so quick? But then oil too. 24. Alright, we're in the markets, we're short, so any run was, it's a good sale. This signal over here, this bar didn't break this red one. So looks like we're gonna be selling so far again. If we come somewhere down here, we'll be buying again. So we're gonna be patient. But we traded 3 contracts, 352 points per contract. Could be done already. Well, hi Vic. Good morning, Vic is chatting with me over here. Alright, let's take a look here. It's like market is trying to go up, but it's under pressure. We are having 820. So far any run up was a good sale. But also we are from the bottom to the top of the bands, both bands. This is good short down here for a few points. And you saw reaction over here, came down here and just bounced very quickly. Oil is staying where it is. Let's go back to gold. Just standing too. in the daily, you can see we are inside yesterday's bar. They're trying to make a bottom here, start going long, trying to meet with these two lines from the lower band. So we'll see how successful they're gonna be. I mean, there is gonna be bounce. This is hugely oversold. It's NQ, so it's YM2. Plus we are on the top of this support zone, blue one. So I guess we're just waiting for some good news so the market bounce. Okay, if anything, we should be shorting oil over here. Let's try
Order
to short
filled.
and see where we are. Try to pick a few more
Order submitted.
ticks. Market is running long. Okay, we are about both bands. For a moment we were above both, but this time I'm not gonna short. Not yet. Markets are maybe going along, so rather wait. Somewhere here they come and then short for a few points. $24, $23, somewhere there. If they can shoot just in this bar. Okay, oil is trying to get up. Short oil
Order
again.
filled.
I'll just put it there.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's see if ES can reach over there, pretty close. Right there. Okay, let's go. There's a bounce back. I was a little bit late. Should have gone and set the sale over here. Always go in front of the market. Well, we'll be patient and do it again. We'll wait for the price to pull up there and then make a sale. Let's see what CNBC is saying. Still saying 1,000 points down. JP Morgan buy e-commerce stocks as coronavirus accelerates online shift. Okay. So this was good point to short, I just didn't do it. Let's see if we can get some better area. Oil is just staying up there. Again, taking time to make some profit. Alright, there's a good setup for long. Right there. If that fails, market's just gonna go down. Alright, so far so good. Nice big moves. Looks like they wanna develop the long trend. That's what they're doing so far. 8 is over 20. Right, oil is trying to go long. Okay, this bar couldn't make it. But good, we could get some pullback here. Under this green. To go maybe all the way here to 20. At least. Alright, there's a lot of indecision. Hit A, TMA and just pull back again. Alright, we'll go sell a couple more on oil.
Order filled.
Now we're just gonna wait for our chance to get out of the
Order
trade,
submitted.
because looks like oil wants to go long with the market. Market is developing long trend. This time we're not gonna short. This can go just above. We're little bit patient, see what market's gonna tell us. Don't wanna short yet. Though we are above both lines. Would like to have some big barges that goes all the way up there. Then we have a bigger chances of making good trade. All right. Let's sail one on
Order
ES.
filled. Order
Right
submitted.
there, we just go right there. That's plenty. Doesn't mean that you won't go even further, as you can see. Right, let's go and see what's gonna be here. We're in good position so far, so market just pulls in and we don't like the trade, we can just close like here. Close manually. But I think we should be okay even for this target. Should make us about 400, 500 points. I can close it right now, but that's fine. Okay, we can still close. I'll keep a little bit. Alright, comes
Order
down here and
filled.
then pulls back, comes down here, pulls back, which it's fine, we made a profit. Let's see what oil is gonna do. So that was another good trade. Let's sell a couple of more on oil.
Order filled.
We'll just get here.
Order submitted.
And we'll just try to come out and with all low contracts. Let's see if the price is gonna reach down on oil. It's been too long in the trade. We'll just get with a few ticks. And there's ES. developing another long bar. That's why I just came out. It was resist, comes here, resist couple of times. Didn't want to wait anymore. Don't want to short yet, though we are above both lines, upper lines with a band. Want them to break this high, have a nice big long green bar. Okay. We're not gonna shorten either here. Want some nice long bar. Oil is resisting over here, as you can see. It's about both upper band lines. And resisting to come down, so we'll see what's gonna be. Alright, we are already like almost 50 minutes trading session, US trading session. So far we made 585 points, and we are in the 6 contracts on the oil trade. We're waiting for a profit there too. We're just taking this time, taking again to reach our target. Only wanna come out with a few ticks, hopefully this time. I don't know, go be buying more. Let's just get out with the trade. Make it green, and we'll look for another good one. RTS is coming back. Possible to here. Let's see where we're making a price change. We were again for 1 tick short. Right there.
Order filled.
So we made another good trade. Plus we were shorting when everybody was buying. Same with ES. ES could pull back down here a little bit more. Would be a good area to buy if they continue with a long trend. That's what market is saying so far. So any pullback into this zone here would be good buy. Take a look structure of oil. It's hitting a lower part of the green zone pulling down. Now they're even short over here, still down. Let's see update on the news. Dow is down 937, VIX is down 3.4 points, 4.2%. So let's just be a little bit longer patient. We're still having good day. Let's take a look at gold. Other run to 1520, now pull back 10 points. Now it's 1511. Okay, CL slowed down. We'll go back to gold and see if we can make a trade. Hopefully some nice big run, and then short it. Or we'll try to buy down here and go long. For now it's a long trend in the gold. From all this, they went up here in this price with a nice pullback. This was time to start buying. This is long trend. Okay, so there, 8 is about 20, above 20 and 20. The price is bouncing from 20, as you can see, and going along with the market. I'll try to buy,
Order
I'll
filled.
try to make a few ticks
Order submitted.
if we can. Looks like market is trying to go long. Again, has some pause over here. Let's see how successful we're gonna be. Alright, we're again in a tick or two away. This time,
Order
right
filled.
there. Another good one. Another good trade. Alright. We didn't make any trades on Nasdaq this morning. Mostly focusing on ES and CL. There's a sell-off on gold. Nice move. Let's buy
Order
some
filled.
just to get few
Order
points
submitted.
if we can get. Looks like a nice buy. Even if it goes against us, we'll just manage the trade and come out positive. So let them work a little bit. Alright, Tesla is bouncing a little bit, but still down 37, almost 9%. Apple is 2.5% down. Facebook is 4.16% down. So we'll see. Alright, there's gold. We'll just close it.
Order filled.
We made just a little bit. A tick or two, which is fine. I believe. Let's go buy some NQ over
Order
here.
filled.
Well,
Order submitted.
right there, almost in a tick. This morning our trades are just getting in a tick or two and turning around. Well, that's why time we're gonna go here, make a little bit more. If the trade goes our way. Alright. Looks like markets are pulling down. Let them just go. Just take
Order
targets
canceled.
out. Looks like ES wants to reach this band. Then we'll buy another contract over NQ. Trend is still long. We have AD above 20. This is just a pullback for now until it proves differently. And as you can see, NQ is coming back also with ES. Looks like these times when markets are so quick in equities, it's the best way to trade gold, CL, gold, oil, those kind of instruments that are slower. As YM, ES, and Q, they're just flying around. Okay. If ES comes to this point, we'll buy another contract or NQ. It doesn't mean that ES is not gonna go even further. Only thing, because we're so long in a trade, if trade goes our way, we
Order
just come
submitted.
out. This could mean they're gonna go long, but we'll just come out and look for another entry. If it goes our way, unless markets turn around and go down. And as you can see on this band, different hues, any bounces from this band, it's long, it's a good place to buy. Alright, there's a big resistance here, so we'll lower even this a little bit just to get out of the trade, make a few ticks if we can, because they're almost in resistance zone. And you can see what's happening. Wants to go, doesn't want to go. Okay, we got for a tick in the trade, and then of course we are short couple of ticks. Double top, even lower one. Still not over. We are bouncing from a lower band of the lower band of this blue band. Alright, so maybe this time.
Order
Right
filled.
there. Okay, so we made another few ticks. So patience pays off, and reading the chart. Okay, we're almost 1 hour in the trading session. So gold is long, ES is long, Nasdaq is long so far. Just slow down a little bit. Let's buy it long.
Order filled.
Since we say long, let's try to
Order
get a few
submitted.
points if you can. Dow is 932 down 4.39%, and VIX is 3.42 points, 4.51% down. Alright, we're again in profit so far. Let's see if it's gonna reach our target or we'll just go out the market. Alright, that's a nice move. Let's just close.
Order filled.
And we have 1122.5 points in 1 hour. Okay, I'm seeing here on CNBC coronavirus live updates. Japanese flu drug could be effective treatment. Scotland to close schools. So if that's true, Japanese flu drug, there's gonna be big run up if you get the good news on that. And that's where we come to the daily. Look at that pullback going along. A little bit more and we'll be hitting meeting with EMA 8, which you can see over here. Price was walking with that with EMA 8 down. So in the last couple of days didn't touch it, which is time. But special time is to meet a lower lines of the bands, which will be huge run. 72.50 to about 8,300. Talking 1,000 points in Nasdaq. 1,000, 1,100 points. And you can see daily they're hitting here the bottom on top of this support zone, which became resistant in the last couple of days. Resistance zone, resistance area. So hopefully they break that and make some nice run to the white line, EMA 8. And then some plus to the lines of the lower lines of the band. In meantime, gold is still long, ES is still long. Making some pullback, and NQ means same means. Okay, lower line of this blue band. The closer it comes to upper line with the yellow band, means more we are closer to nice pullback. So let's see. We still can go around, go long. So let's see what's gonna happen. This was overnight when it hit lay me down. The markets were closed, and this is since market open. 2-minute chart. There's again bounce from 20 SMA. And you can see Nasdaq too. Let's just buy some Nasdaq.
Order filled.
We'll make some profit here if we can.
Order submitted.
So far, this is a nice resistance zone on EMA, on ES. Nice support zones here. And as you can see here, higher highs work until they don't. There's a big pullback on NQ, which we're gonna try to take
Order
advantage
filled.
and buy. Let's see if we can.
Order submitted.
If they're gonna go along from here, bounce again. So gold is coming down. If they hit with the yellow line, we'll buy it. Let's actually just put our order.
Order submitted.
Need to go a little bit higher.
Order
Right there.
filled.
We'll just get some.
Order submitted.
We can get some profit. In the meantime, we are being squeezed over here. Market is gonna explode some weight in this from here. Hopefully long in our favor. Alright, there's normal pullback. We had a nice run this morning, so having some pullbacks normal, but let's let them make a nice run up long so we can hit our targets and make another good trades. Hopefully they listen to us. Alright, there's a nice move long. Alright. For a moment we were flat on INQ. Just need a little bit more. And you can see those are big moves. These are 10, these bars are 10 ticks. Look at how quick Nasdaq is moving. Talking about jumping 2.5, 3 points, 5 points. Very good sprinter. Alright, that's the second time we were flat, and for a moment we were in profit. Third time, right there. So hopefully this time
Order
that's
filled.
it. Yeah, another good trade. Hopefully we get now in oil. Let's buy another one.
Order
Price a
filled.
little bit down. It's taking so much time. We just try to get
Order
out with
submitted.
profit. And I think that's gonna be for today. Alright, they're a little bit slow. They slow down. Maybe we're expecting some good news. Okay, Senator Marco Rubio wants to offer small businesses money to keep payrolls going. So we'll see what's gonna be. Alright, gold is developing short trades, so that's not a good sign for us. So far we'll wait, we'll come out with a profit. Let's see what's gonna take. Dow is still down 893. S&P is 94. Nasdaq 212. Russell is 64. And VIX is 4.37, 5.76%, so almost 6%. Huge sell-off on the gold. Let's buy over
Order
here more.
filled. Order filled.
That's a huge and good area
Order
to buy.
filled.
which I don't mind, like that.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Again, try to get out, but this is huge sell-off. I mean, just one bar. $15.02, $15.09, 7 points.
Order
Very big
filled.
move in 2 minutes. Okay, we're still in profit. We have one
Order
more.
filled.
Okay, we have one more.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, and there's 2 more left. There was again in a tick. This time.
Order
Right there.
filled.
And that's it. 1582.5 points. It's good, a good move down, good place to buy. Alright, Nasdaq is now, gold is now it's now in the short. Already did develop with this green bar. That was confirmation for some short over here. It's the pullback, and we'll see what's gonna happen with the rest of the day. For the rest of the day, but that will be it for today from our side. We'll talk to you in another video.